Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wuthering Waves stuck on verifying file integrity. Let's fix it guys. You just need to close stuff here. And the first step is to allow through Windows firewall. To do this, go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings and select allow another app and select browse. Go to local disk C, program files, Epic Games, Wuthering Waves, and you just need to scroll down and select the launcher.exe and select open. After opening the launcher, select add. In my case, I already added. After adding it, you will be find over here guys. You just need to check mark these options private and public. After check marking it, select OK. The second step is to run Wuthering Waves as administrator. To do this, you just need to open up Epic Games. Click on the three dot icon next to the Wuthering Waves and select Manage. Select the folder icon to open the install location. In here, you need to double click on the Wuthering Waves game folder. Right click on the Wuthering Waves and select Properties. Select Compatibility tab. And you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, just to close stuff here, and now you can reopen the game launcher and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.